Hi guys. I'm gonna sing Firework by Katy Perry. Okay. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, won't go from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under seams and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, and there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, tell 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as they shoot across the sky. Boom. I don't know the rest of it. And then I go boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside you, you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go up as they shoot across the sky. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Ooh, burst. Make 'em go up as they shoot across the sky. Sorry for a little mess ups. Okay. Bye.